Hey everyone, it's Adam Helfman from Hire It Done. Recently on our Hire It Done Facebook page, we asked everyone, where's the best burger in town? And everybody overwhelmingly told us Red Coat Tavern. So I'm here, I'm gonna go grab a burger, you're gonna watch me, and we're gonna have a great time. Let's go check it out. Hi, I'm gonna have a Red Coat burger. I'd like it medium well, no tomato, lettuce sauce, and no cheese. Can they toast the bun for me, please? All right, perfect. Also, I want a side of mushrooms and onions sauteed so I can put it on after. Just had a great burger, French fries, onion rings, fried mushrooms, and a Diet Coke, of course. It was awesome. Thank you, Red Coat. For more great content like this, plus the best home improvement advice anywhere, don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, on HireItDone.com.